going. So I do two different styles of rotational grazing to give them fresh pasture. One is the electric fence system and the other is chicken tractors. You'll see lots of different designs of chicken tractors that I've kind of experimented with over the years, but the one behind me is called a Joel Salatin style chicken tractor. It's really effective, easy to transport, and you can see behind me I have some Freedom Rangers in there as well, and they get pulled to new pasture 1 to 2 times a day. You can see the trail of where the chicken tractor has been. The slogan of Pasture Fowler is leading flocks to greener pastures. And the kind of punniness about that is the chickens are getting a lot of nutrition off the grass, but they're also leaving their nutrition for the grass to make it better foraging for the next time. It'll actually grow greener and fuller as it comes in, as it heals. So I get all my feed from Berry Family Farms up in Pleasantville. He's a great guy, highest quality feed I could find. He goes above and beyond some of his methods of creating nutritional feed, has a great background in it, and what's nice is he doesn't function in all the labels surrounding organic, but he's a farmer. I can know his practices. He's very transparent about them, and I know it's extremely high quality feed. And the old saying is, you are what you eat eats. So I think it's really important that to have high quality feed that you're using for your livestock, and he goes above and beyond, and I couldn't be happier to have him. So a lot of people have asked what a processed chicken looks like. So what's the product you're getting in hand when you buy off me? The one on the left here is one that went to a USDA processor. I have a lot of batches that go through there. This is actually a Cornish cross. So you can kind of see the nice USDA label, the Pasture Fowler labeling. And this was processed in December, and it's currently April. So it's lasting pretty nicely in the freezer without a lot of freezer burn. And this is one on the right here is a Freedom Ranger bird that I did in November, actually. So the packaging looks extremely similar, and they seem to be holding up really nicely in the freezer. The average chicken weighs between 4 to 6 pounds when you buy them off me. The one on the left here was kind of a monster, and the one over here is kind of a more normal size of the chicken you'll be getting. So the boys and I are doing a little science experiment. It's our first time hatching eggs, and we just went into the last phase of the last 3 days where I up the humidity, and hopefully we'll have some of Pasture Fowler's first baby chicks in the next 3 days. So these are the first set of Cornish crosses for the season. I have 150 of them, or a little over 150 of them in here, and these are the ones I'll be brooding here, but raising on some family property. And so they're going to be in here for about 2 more weeks, maybe a little over 2 more weeks, and then I'll stick them on pasture. So back behind me here, I have the 3 chicken tractors that I made for this field. I'll be raising most of the Cornish cross here this year in batches of 150, and every single day they'll get fresh new forage, and so that can be a significant part of their diet. Down low. You did it!
I got it.
All right, can you say, all right, look at the camera and say, this is my dad, Pasture Fowler.
That's my dad, Pasture Fowler.
Grab on. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh boy. There we go, we got it. 1, 2, 3. Oh! 1, 2, 3. Oh, you count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh! Oh, all right, I think we got him. Give me 5. We did it. We're Pasture Fowlers.
We're Pasture Fowler now.